Hey guys, this is Kerry with Katola Metalcraft, and today I'm going to show you this homemade powder coating booth that we made. Maybe it'll help some of you guys out. So the booth is right at a little over 5 foot wide. When it's folded up, it is about 33 inches. And to unfold it, you can see one person can move it around. It doesn't take up much space. So we can unfold it. We can pick this up, fold this out. Then fold this out. And that is the unfolded booth. We'll hook the lights up, get some power on it so you can see everything. Okay, so we'll start out on the inside. Basically, this stuff is just something we've been playing around with. It's a roof gable vent stuff for a pole barn. So this is going to be the pre-filter. We've used the insulation before and it works really good. But we just threw this up here today so you can see a pre-filter. Here we have 2 furnace filters just held in with some welding rods and some rods cut a little bit longer and just bent a little bit. Okay, so up here we have these lights. We got these lights at Ace Hardware. They are LED. They are almost flush mount, and I highly recommend these lights. So on this side, the side that was on the outside, we got a couple of guns. We got a Eastwood gun, and we got this Spectre Coat gun right here. Some of the stuff we use all the time here is air hose, air nozzle, flashlight, respirator, and we hang our guns here. We got this is just Velcroed up here, power strip, and that way you just have to hook in one plug to get all the power going to the booth. Back here on the back, we did some storage. In here we got vacuum cleaner adapters for doing wheels, high temperature plugs there. Some of the powders we use often are here, and right here we have different adapters for the booth, depending on how we want to hang something. This will screw into the top of the booth in the ceiling, and we made other things that hang in there. It's got bars going across here as well when it's screwed in like that. So we keep these back here. And the crown jewel of this fan right here. You come up here, Dave, we'll get a good look at it. This is an X-Power fan, and it came off of Amazon, and it is really good. So what we did, the fan is hooked in there. This fan outlet right here is 18 inches on the outlet, and it really sucks the powder out of there good. So here it is turned on. Now let's talk about the ground on the booth. The booth has a ground. We used a welding cable. We have our whole building grounded, so we can hook it into one plug on our building, and it's grounded right into the earth with a 12-foot copper rod. The ground's hooked to here, and this ground goes around to this leaf on the folding part, all the guns, that way all the guns are grounded. And then at the top, where that top ceiling swings down, there's also a strap up there to ground. So this ground works really well. And come around right here. Look at this stuff here. This is the leaves. I got this out of a dumpster doing dumpster diving. I think that you should go to an industrial site where they're building and do some dumpster diving, because you can get a lot of good stuff like this material. I don't even know what it is. But that's to just create more suction on the inside. And over here, we got a place for our hooks. Up here, we put this one, we screwed this one on, this little strip, to make it to where when you get in here, it is pretty tight. We'll show you a video of it with the suction going on. But the leaves down here is on casters. There's on each leaf here, there's 2 at the bottom on each side. This back section has a couple on it as well. So basically this section right here is a foot deep. And I'll just come in here and put these wings in here at about a 45-degree angle. That's all. So it would funnel the powder into this fan from there. And we just use some, this came out of our pole barn building we built, J-channel. Use some J-channel. These panels right here are like 22 gauge. I recommend that you go to an HVAC wholesale place. You buy your sheet metal through them. It's a lot cheaper. That's where I got my sheet metal at. So basically, that is it. We've had this for a few years now, and it's worked really, really good. Thanks. Be sure to hit like and subscribe at the bottom.